Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. So we have Zayn here with a beautiful song called Gave. Alright, I really like the vibe in this song. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of calming. Have this nostalgic aura over it. I don't know why, but anyway, nice song here. Fits guitar very well. So Zayn gave a real guitar song. Let's break this down. So we have basically 4 different chords. We're gonna handle a picking pattern for these chords. We don't need any capo either, so let's go right into the chords. I'm gonna give you an alternative way of playing this later with a strumming pattern. If you think it's too much to work with all the strings and notes, you can just switch to or just play from the beginning till the very end with a strumming pattern. It's up to you, but I'm gonna give you tools to handle Zayn's Gave. Okay, so we're gonna go for chords first. We have the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A next. Okay, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have D, so D will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord is B minor. Of course, we need to bring in a bar chord here, so you have a bar on the second fret, you play the index finger on 5 strings from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So there you have the tools to handle the song. Now let's dive into the different patterns. So E minor, you have this pattern. So you hold the chord, and that is what you're gonna do for all these 4 chords. You're gonna hold them as they are. And now you're gonna play open E, second A, second D, open G, back to second D, and second A. So you can think as down and back up. That is 1 round. Okay, over to A. Follows the same pattern now, just different grip. Hold the chord, and you're gonna start now from the A string, open A, second D, second G, second B, back to second G, and second D. Is 1 round. Over to D now, hold the chord still, and now you start from the D string. You're gonna go with open D, second G, third B, second E, back to third B, and second G. And then you have the final chord, B minor. Still hold the chord as it is. You're gonna start now from the second A string. You're gonna play that one, and then 4th D, 4th G, 3rd B, back to 4th G, and 4th D. And that is 1 round. If you go back to E minor, you're gonna start the verse play, and the tempo is pretty fast. You're gonna start gradually to learn the pattern and then work your way up in tempo. So somewhere around that area, you're gonna play with the tempo. I'm not really sure where, but around that tempo. The verse play is just back and forth between E minor and A, okay? You're gonna play 4 rounds of E minor. Then 4 rounds of A. And that is 1 round. You're gonna play this for 3 rounds. So 3 rounds, E minor 4, A4, E minor 4, A4, E minor 4, A4. That is the verse play. Okay, then over to what is perhaps a chorus or more of an instrumental part. All right, so you're gonna play D2, then B minor 2. That is 1 round. You're gonna play this for 4 rounds. So 4 rounds of that. That was just 2 now. You double up and you have the 4 rounds there. And then after that, you're gonna go over to play A. You're gonna play first 2 rounds of A. And then we have a special ending here with this A. So 2 rounds of A, still just the same picking pattern. And then I'm gonna teach you now how to play the ending of A. And you're gonna play like this. So that is, you can still hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play open A with open E string, the high E string, and then a short pause, and then comes, and that is second G, second B, back to second G, and second D. You are half in now, and then you're gonna play this part, the ending. And that is open A together with second B, second G, second D, and second G. And a short pause that marks out the end of this instrumental or chorus part and a new starting on the verse play. So that was the chorus. Just to summarize this last chorus part, it was D2, B minor 2. You're going to play that for 4 rounds, back and forth. And then after these 4 rounds, you're going to play A2. And then you had this ending that was slowly like this. Pause and then start. I'm going to give you this last chorus. So D2, B minor 2 for 4 rounds, and then A2, and then the ending goes like this. And then yeah, play a little there, but anyway, I think you understand. Zayn's gave, and it was a pleasure for me to give and gave this to you. Anyway, I just play around with the words here because I feel I'm pretty done here with this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this, and if it was helpful, please let me know. Give me a like on this tutorial, and until next time, play tuned.